In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lightbox in Wix. We all know how a lightbox can make your website pop with interactive features. And today I'll guide you through the steps to add one to your site easily and effectively. We're going to take it one step at a time, ensuring that you understand each aspect thoroughly. Let's start by opening up your Wix website editor. If you're not already there, all you need to do is log into your Wix account, navigate to your site, and choose to edit. Once you have your editor open, we move on to the next task. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a tab labeled Add. Give that a click to open up various element options you can add to your site. Great! Now you're going to select Interactive from this menu. Interactive offers you a host of dynamic features you can integrate into your site, and one such feature is our focus for today, Lightboxes. After clicking on Interactive, a series of different interactive tools will appear. Among these, you'll find the Lightboxes option. Click on that to explore the various Lightbox templates available to you. Now, you're presented with a wide array of Lightboxes, each designed for different purposes. Take a moment to scroll through these choices and find one that best suits your website's aesthetic and needs. Once you've found the perfect Lightbox, simply click to add it to your web page. Easy, right? After you've added your Lightbox, you may see an option to Manage Lightboxes. By clicking on this, you can oversee all the Lightboxes you've implemented across your site. This management tool offers the flexibility to remove, add, or even edit details if you want to make changes later. Next, you'll encounter another option labeled Set Triggers. This feature allows you to decide when and how your Lightbox will be activated. For instance, do you want it to show up when a visitor lands on your homepage? Or perhaps when someone clicks a specific button? The power is in your hands to set these conditions, tailoring the user experience to your liking. Moving along, you will want to adjust the layout of your Lightbox. This is where you can get creative with the position and size, making sure that it aligns perfectly with your site's design. Whether you want it centered on the page or offset slightly to the side, the layout settings allow you for precise customization. Finally, to make your Lightbox truly stand out, go ahead and click on Design. This option lets you delve into the finer details, like choosing colors, fonts, and visual effects to make your Lightbox harmonious with your site's overall theme. Your design choices can significantly impact how engaging your Lightbox will be for visitors. Now you're all set to reap the benefits of this powerful feature. Lightboxes can enhance interaction and engagement on your website. By following these simple steps, you'll have added a dynamic element, elevating your site's functionality and overall user experience. Thanks for tuning in, and have fun enhancing your site with stunning Lightboxes.